Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and here we've got options connected with the date, time and the time zone, but unfortunately we cannot customize them. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and time zone, which are network provided. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options here. We can turn it off also, and as you can see now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping pick the date we want to use. The same situation with the time, up to you, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here you can manually let's say decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here, and we can pick the time zone, so just tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So for example this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can decide if you want to use the dual clock, so simply if you want to have two different clocks, one will show you the time from the time in which you're currently in, and the second one from, for example, your hometown or any other place in the world you want to. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature of this section, so the date and time. And of course we can get back to previous settings and just tap on those switchers right here and tap on the auto set time and pick network provided time. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.